State Farm Home Insurance Review 2025 Pros and Cons Detailed Overview. You won't believe how much home insurance has evolved in 2025. State Farm continues to be a major player, offering extensive coverage options for homeowners, renters, and landlords, but is it the right choice for you? The surprising truth is customization. Most people get this wrong by thinking all home insurance policies are the same. State Farm allows you to tailor your policy with coverage for property damage, personal belongings, liability, and even additional living expenses in case of a disaster. Optional add-ons like water backup protection or identity theft coverage make the policy more comprehensive. Another advantage is claim support. You won't believe what happens next when you see State Farm's claims service and its nationwide network of approved contractors. Filing a claim is simple, whether online, via the mobile app, or through a local agent, making it convenient and reliable during stressful times. However, there are cons. Premiums may be higher than some competitors, especially in high-risk areas. Discounts are available for bundling policies, installing safety devices, or maintaining a claim-free record, but without them, costs can add up. Additionally, some optional coverages are not included in the base plan, requiring extra spending for full protection. In conclusion, State Farm Home Insurance in 2025 is ideal for homeowners looking for trusted coverage, strong support, and customizable options. While premiums may be slightly higher, the breadth of protection and reliable claims service make it a solid choice for safeguarding your home and belongings. For anyone prioritizing stability and comprehensive coverage, State Farm remains a dependable option.